If Beehiiv is giving you a post-publishing error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step, so you can get your post published successfully. This is a super common issue, and in many cases it comes down to one missing detail in the draft settings, rather than a bigger problem with the platform. So if this video helps, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's jump in. First, log in to your Beehiiv account and open the post you are trying to publish. Once the post is open, the very first thing you want to check is whether it actually has a title. A missing title can cause publishing issues, so make sure the title field is filled in clearly. Next, scroll through the post and confirm that it contains content. Even if the post looks like it has something saved, Beehiiv may still block publishing if the body of the post is empty or incomplete. Add your content if needed, then take a moment to review it carefully. After that, click Save Draft. This step is important because it forces Beehiiv to register the latest changes before you try publishing again. Once the draft is saved, refresh the page. A simple refresh can often clear out a temporary glitch or update the editor with the correct draft state. Now reopen the draft and click Preview. Previewing the post helps you catch issues that may not be obvious in the editor itself. Look closely for any missing images, broken embeds, or elements that didn't load properly. If an image is missing or an embed is broken, fix it before moving forward, because that can sometimes prevent the post from publishing correctly. Next, check the email subject line. In Beehiiv, the subject line needs to be filled in if you are sending the post as an email newsletter. If that field is blank, publishing can fail or appear incomplete. Enter a subject line that matches your post and make sure it is saved. Then move to the audience settings. Check the audience selection and make sure at least one audience is selected. This is one of the most common reasons a post won't publish. If no audience is chosen, Beehiiv doesn't know who should receive the post, so publishing can get blocked. Once you've confirmed the title, content, subject line, images, embeds, and audience, try publishing again. In many cases, following these checks will solve the Beehiiv post-publishing error immediately. If it still doesn't work, go back through each step one more time and make sure nothing was skipped. And that's it. You've now gone through the key troubleshooting steps to fix a Beehiiv post-publishing error and get your draft ready to go live. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Beehiiv tips and quick fixes in the future. Thanks for watching.